Alright folks, so I said I was going to make a video when I was repairing the left and right on this Minn Kota Power Command. Well, while I had it apart, I just went ahead and took that right side right here off, this slide. 3 bolts hold that on. And I just found a bunch of dust and trash and things in it. So I cleaned it up and put this thing right back on, and now, hey, look at that, she's working. And before, the only thing it would work on was like up in a 9 and 10 range. But I just cleaned it out a little bit and seemed to have done the trick, because it's working now. It's doing really well. These things also have an automatic on it too. You can kick it down here on this right side, and it will just continuously go. And it's doing really well too. But this has the power drive. The power drive has the has this autopilot. It has a little switch right up in the head of this thing, and you can push it, a little light comes on, and you can point it in whatever direction you want, and it will keep you going in that direction. I was really amazed. I've never owned a trolling motor like this, and for it to just point it in a direction and turn it on and it keep you in the direction you want to go, you know, this is just truly amazing for me. So I guess if I've got enough things fixed on this, that'll be great. Like I said in my previous video, you know, this is the flat plug, and they don't make them no more apparently. And I have seen some used ones on eBay and such, but you know, if I'm having the trouble with mine and it's at this age, I'm not going to risk buying another one off the internet that's probably no better than one I got, and it looks to me like mine's just needing to be cleaned up. So I hope maybe this will help any of you that has had the problems I've had. But on the slide on the variable speed drive there, it just seemed to be dirty, and it just could be a fluke. But like I said in my other video, if anybody's had that same problem, hey, let me know. I want to look and see how you what you did to fix yours. So we'll be doing some more projects on this pontoon boat. I know I'm going to have to redo the trailers at some point in time. But anyhow, we will catch y'all on another video. Hey, thanks y'all.